Good morning, everyone. Today we are discussing MSME Management's first unit, that is MSME Environment in India. How MSME is developed in India and its role in Indian economy. First of all, we discuss about the definition of MSME. MSME is related with the micro, small and medium enterprises introduced by Government of India in agreement with Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Act 2006 are entities engaged in the production, manufacturing, processing or preservation of goods and commodities. This act is amended in 2018. In that MSME sector is considered as a backbone of Indian economy that is contributed substantially in the socio-economic development of the nation. It generates employment opportunities and works in the development of backward and rural areas of India. MSME sector is divided in two parts. In first part, it is related with manufacturing enterprises. These enterprises engaged in the manufacture or production of goods pertaining to any industry specified in the first schedule to the Industries Development and Regulation Act 1951, or employing plant and machinery in the process of value addition to the final product having a distinct name or character or use. The manufacturing enterprises are defined in terms of investment in plant and machinery. Means investment in plant and machinery is particularly considered in that area. Service enterprises are engaged in providing or rendering of services, and it is defined in the terms of investment and in equipments. The limit for investment in plant and machinery or equipment for manufacturing service, small service enterprises, for particularly manufacturing sector, investment in plant and machinery for micro enterprises, it does not exceed 25 lakh rupees. For small enterprises, more than 25 lakh rupees but does not exceed 50 crore rupees. And lastly, medium enterprises more than 5 crore rupees but does not exceed 10 crore rupees. For service sector enterprises, investment in equipments is does not exceed 10 lakh rupees for micro enterprises. Small enterprises more than 10 lakh rupees but does not exceed 2 crore rupees, and medium enterprises more than 2 crore rupees but does not exceed 5 crore rupees. After that, we can see characteristics of MSMEs. We know that MSME is the backbone for Indian economy. So, first characteristics is related with the unemployment issue in India. Means MSME is work for welfare of the worker and artisans. Means those artists who are those artists who are do their art but they can't but they can't receive money for that. So MSME helps to them by giving employment and by providing loans and other services. MSME sectors provide credit limit or funding support to banks. Third is MSME sector promotes the development of entrepreneurship as well as upgradation of skills by launching specialized training centers for the same. Means we know that Kaushalya Vikas Yojana is an example for MSME sector. or Startups India is related also with the MSME sector. They support the upgrading of development technology, infrastructure development, and the modernization of the sector as a whole. MSME are known to provide reasonable assistance for improved access to the domestic as well as export markets. We know Atmanirbhar Bharat is the step for MSME sector. They also offer modern testing facilities and quality certification services. Product development, design innovation, interventions, and packagings are the recent trends in MSME. Thank you.